If you've been meaning to earn an income online, either as a stay-at-home mom, a student, a busy 9-to-5er who just needs an extra income, because we know a single income these days doesn't cut it, but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll be sharing 7 passive income ideas you can do online to earn your first $500. Yes, you heard me right. These passive income ideas have been tested and proven. These are no fluff. They've been tested and proven. You can do it from anywhere with just your phone or a laptop. You don't need any degree. You don't need any experience. So let's get right into it. Number 1, digital products. I'm sure you've been seeing on social media everywhere, people talking about digital products, people making thousands of dollars with digital products. But then you're even wondering, like, what are digital products? These are products that exist simply in digital formats. These can be ebooks, they can be templates, they can be printables, they can be PDF documents, simply in digital format. They don't have any physical product. You can create a template, or you can create an ebook based on something you already know. Let's say you're a fitness coach, or let's say you just do your fitness at home, but you see results. You can put all of that knowledge in one place and you sell it to people. People are always willing to get information on how you do things. If you're a mom who just snapped back after having a baby 4 weeks later, people will be like, oh my God, girl, what did you do? How did you do it? They'll want to get that information. If you have meal recipes or meal plans or fitness plans, you can put it in an ebook and you sell it. If you don't want to create your own template, or you don't want to create your own ebook, you can sell someone else's ebook. That is a done for you digital product. These are digital products that someone else has created, but then they give you the rights to sell it, they give you the rights to edit it and sell it as yours. So usually it comes with the master register rights, that's MRR, or private label rights, or PLR. When you purchase these books, you edit it, you can customize it to have your colors, to have your fonts, however you want to customize it. Then you sell now these books to people. Even if you don't want to take the books that have master written rights or private label rights, you can also sell someone else's digital product and you earn a commission. Which brings me to the second point on how you can earn passive income, that is affiliate marketing. Most brands out there like Amazon, Sephora, Walmart, they pay regular people to review and promote their products online. So you go to their platform to sign up for their affiliate program. You get products, you get links of products that are already sold on their platform. You promote these links on your own social media platforms or on a blog post, or if you want to share them to Facebook groups. Every time somebody purchases using your link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing ranges from low ticket to high ticket products. You can have products that you earn a commission of up to $1,000 a day, depending on what product. So this is a great way for you to make an extra income without you having to do so much of it. You just have to promote those links on your social media platforms to drive sales to the main platform. The third passive income idea is print on demand. This is especially for those who are creative. You can get into Canva, you start creating things, you can draw, you can create. Whatever you create, like so you're creating logos or you're creating graphics, designs or whatever, you take these creations that you've made, you take them into Printify. Printify already has mock-ups like t-shirts, it has mugs, it has caps. They already have these mock-ups. You can now take that creation, the design that you've done, you put it on these mock-ups on Printify. Then you take those images on Printify that their designs are on and you put it on Etsy. Every time somebody goes to your Etsy shop and makes a purchase, Printify will do all the work for you. They'll do the inventory, they'll receive the order, they'll package it, they'll ship it out to the person who bought the product. Then they'll take their commission and send the rest to you. That is quite easy. You don't even have to spend any money to do this. The only way maybe you might even spend a little bit, if it's, let's say you want to know the quality of the products that you're selling, then you can request from a sample from Printify. But this is easy to do. The only thing too is you have to create a lot of designs, because it's like a regular shop. You need to have variety of things. When people come to your shop, they need to see so many things, so they have options to buy from. The fourth passive income idea is quote pages. I feel like everybody should have a quote page, irrespective of whatever you want to make your quote page on. You can do success, motivation, entrepreneurship, motherhood. People want to relate to others. The way social media is these days, people want to relate to other things. Somebody wants to feel that the same experience that are going through, there's somebody else in the world 1,000 or 10,000 miles away going through that same thing. So if you start a quotes page and you're sharing relatable quotes, let's say relatable mother quotes, and maybe you're up 2 a.m. your night and feeding your baby, you post a quote like postpartum isn't easy, I'm up late night feeding or something. There's a mom thousands of miles away that's going to react and is going to relate to your quote, and they're going to like, they're going to engage with it. This is the fastest way for you to grow any social media platform, either Instagram or TikTok, is through quote pages, because they are relatable, so they're easy to be shared and to be saved. And now once your social media, once your quote page has grown, you can now start monetizing. You can decide to sell digital products on there. You can decide to use it to do promotions and so many other things. On this day and age, attention is currency. So if you have all the attention built up on your quote page, you do have currency. You can market it anyhow you want. The possibilities are endless. The fifth way that you can earn money passively online is user-generated content, or UGC. This is like a base level of anyone promoting products online by taking videos and photos. If you're very good in taking videos, very good in taking photos, this is where you belong. Brands pay people every day just to make good quality videos for their products. For example, Coca-Cola. Have you seen Coca-Cola's advert? It's like one of the best adverts in the world, Coca-Cola, but it doesn't really have anybody's face in it. So you can do UGC. You don't even have to show your face. You can do it face forward. You can do it faceless. Brands will pay you to just make videos of their products to promote them online. You make good quality videos that are enticing, or people will just see this product like, okay, I want to get this. How can I get this? And brands will pay you and they'll send you free products, and then you're making so much money from that. Which brings me to the sixth passive income idea that most of us are always overlooking: Facebook Marketplace. I know we all know about Facebook Marketplace, but we don't really consider it as a passive income. It is a great passive income. I recently experienced this because we had I was selling furniture in our home, and when I put them on Facebook Marketplace, within a day or two, I'm making like $100 from selling products or selling things that I'm not really using. I'm guessing you watching me right now, you have a bunch of things packed in your attic or in your garage that you're not using. You could put those things on Facebook Marketplace. Trust me, people are always looking for things to buy. Of course, on Facebook Marketplace, you're going to put it for a lesser price, but then it's a perfect way for you to earn an income stream. If you're doing other forms of passive income, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing or you're doing UGC that you get free products, that is another way to earn, because that's where you want to sell your free products. If you're not using it or you're not gifting it out to your loved ones, you can sell them on Facebook Marketplace. And the last but not the least, and my personal favorite, Amazon Influencer Program, or the Amazon Review Program. I cannot really stress this enough. I talk about this. My whole page is about the Amazon Influencer Program, because this is like one of the most passive forms of incomes that I have seen out there. It's quite easy to do. You already have products at home. You have so many things at home that you're already using. Even if you didn't buy them from Amazon, you have a phone. You take your phone, you make a 30 seconds short video, you upload it on the platform. When someone watches your video and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Now, how do you get into the Amazon Influencer Program? It's a two-step verification process. The first stage, you have to link your social media account to an Amazon account. The second step, you have to upload 3 shoppable videos. I have detailed videos about the Amazon Influencer Program on my page. You can go watch that. The Amazon Influencer Program has been such a blessing to me. There are so many ways you can earn with it. You earn an on-site commission when someone is watching your video on Amazon and makes a purchase. You earn an off-site commission when you direct somebody from social media to your Amazon storefront. You get free products. You earn creator connection. Like this is another section inside the Amazon Influencer Program where you can earn double from the on-site commission and also from creator connection. This is where brands have put that they want shoppable videos for their products. So those are 4 ways you can just earn with the Amazon Influencer Program, and the possibilities are endless. Brand deals, so many things are going to come. The possibilities are endless. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you for watching. Please, if this has been helpful, consider subscribing. Leave down in the comment section which of these side hustles you're going to start. If you have any questions, also put them down in the comment section. If you've watched up to this point, I have a free gift for you. Yes, I do have a free gift for you. I have my Mom Hustle Starter Kit. It's 10 beginner-friendly side hustles with simple steps on how you can start on each of them. I've spoke about 7. There's 3 more extra in it. You can just click the link down in the description box and you will get it. And so that is it for today. Until next time, bye.